madreporite, it goes down through a tube, and what do we call the tube? Thank God the practical
Stone
isn't
canal?
until tomorrow.
Stone
Yes,
canal?
stone canal, and it connects into this round structure called the
Ring canal?
ring canal. And off of the ring canal, although I didn't ask you guys to know it on the practical, I don't think, is radial canals. So the radial
You did.
canals,
That's on there.
is it? Okay. So the radial canals go down through the legs. All right, the other structure I said that you would need to know is, said you could, instead of the pyloric ceca, or you could just call it digestive gland. So it's all of this. And then, what would the function of digestive gland be?
To digest.
And then, underneath,
Is it gonad?
gonads. Now, I can't tell male or female in the starfish. They're the only ones that probably can. So, but yeah, so all you would have to say for these would be that it's for reproduction. Okay.
For the gonads?
Is there anything else that I asked on that sheet?
2 feet,
Oh, of course, that's how they move.
the bottom.
Yeah, so here you have all the tube feet. So how the water vascular system works is water goes in through the madreporite, down the stone canal, into the ring canal, and then out into these radial canals. And then there are lateral canals that come off that are actually attached to these little tube feet. So it puts water into an area, and then it can extend the tube feet. And so they kind of work on hydrostatic pressure. And so they can extend those tube feet, and they use that to move.
So the 2 feet are the white ones on the bottom, or are those the little pinkish
These
ones?
are the tube feet. These things here are ossicles. They're like little spines that are there for protection. This pink stuff on the outside is the dermal brachia. They use that for respiration. I don't think I asked you to know that, do I? Okay. All right, so that's pretty much it. So I could also ask you what kingdom? Animalia, okay. And what phylum? Echinodermata. I'm not going to mark off if the spelling's close, or I can sound it out. And then the other thing, what domain is this in? There's 3 domains. We've got domain bacteria, domain archaea, and domain eukarya. Yeah, it starts with the E. This is eukarya. Okay. We're not going to have any archaeans on the practical. Okay. We didn't look at any in lab. The only ones in domain bacteria will be when I put out the plates.
Okay.
All right. Then the clam. Let's look at the clam.
All right.